Hello and welcome back. Today, I'm not going to go over the entire module. I'm going to talk about the final project, and I want you to start thinking about that, especially when Thanksgiving is coming, and with a turkey, it might be a good way to you to start preparing for the final project. The final project, I lay out for you four steps that I want you to take into action in order for you to generate. Some of you already email me or ask me about data set, and I thought maybe I did not provide enough data set that you will be able to generate your own interest in the data set. The data set, I don't want you to do it based on words, but I want you to have the data set will be based on numerical values, which means numbers. So, example, this is a database on biology and all the type, you have it in CSV and you will upload it to R or any other platform. Another platform that I also recommended is the data.gov, and again they have quite variety of topics that this data set represent, and I hope that will give you some indication or some ideas what you are looking for. Another good data set is the European data portal, and again it has a lot of subject and all type of information that might be useful for you. Some of you also asked me about how to generate a random variables in R in order for you, instead of searching for the data, you can generate random variable. So the command for that, and I will share it with you with a list of all the data set, it's run if, and run if will generate a random number. And so you have a random number of 20, a number of 20 and 5, and a random number of 20 and replacement as true. And again, this is the foundation of R that allowed us to generate the random number instead of us looking for the real data. And I accept it, and I appreciate if it will be easy on you to find the data to fit your final project. So I'm going back to the final project. So first of all, find a data set. Inside R, we have a lot of data sets. So again, this is something that you can use, or if you are interested in it. There is a package, and I will highlight the package in R that will allow you to search all the data sets that are embedded or in the packages. So this is another way. And then the steps, and this is where I want you to elaborate and be concise of what you're doing. I want to see hypotheses, a null hypothesis, an alternative hypothesis, and I want you to see what type of sample. Is it one sample, more than two samples? And if it's one sample, two samples, is it one way ANOVA? Is it t-test or any other type of analysis? And I want you to give a summary in writing, because yes, it's great to show what you have done in R, but I want you to think about that and try to describe it in words, so people who are not familiar with R or are not familiar with statistics will understand what you are trying to your research is about and how you apply that. Again, I'm here to help you to make it happen, and my job is to help you. So if you have any questions or any other format, in the email I gave you last year, examples of students and the final project, I want you to get a sense what it is entail, and just follow up on that. Make sure that you correspond to all the steps that I lay out for you, and write the hypothesis. So this is my 5 seconds before. Again, I'm most welcome to any questions, and I hope you understand. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate. Until next time, bye.